beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a short tutorial on how to make a stable whipped cream to cover your cake. Sit and enjoy. So here is my whipped cream, 500-gram whipped cream. It's already measured in the leather, so I don't need to use scale again. But if you buy the big one, you use your scale to measure it. I'll be using 2 cups of water, very chill cold water. The second cup, make sure your water is very chill. So I'll mix it with my hand mixer. This takes me like 10 to 15 minutes. Mix it till you get to your desired texture, a very thick texture. So I'll be adding in my flavor. I use pineapple flavor, but you can use any of your choice. So can you see how thick it is? This is a very stable whipped cream that you can use to cover your cake, and you don't have to be scared of melting. See how thick it is. Here is the cake I covered with it. I covered this cake with a 500-gram and it's remaining small. If this is your first time here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Comment down below and like. See you all in my next video. Bye.